The principles of interior design are similar to those of graphic or industrial design, but they are specifically applied to the interior spaces of homes, offices, and other buildings. These principles include balance, scale and proportion, harmony, rhythm and repetition, contrast. By following these principles, interior designers can create spaces that are both visually appealing and functional for their clients. Balance is an important principle of interior design that refers to the visual distribution of weight in a space. It involves creating a sense of equilibrium in a room by arranging elements in a way that feels visually stable and harmonious. There are two types of balance in interior design. Number one is symmetrical and the other one is asymmetrical. Symmetrical balance involves creating a mirror image on both sides of a central axis. This can be achieved by placing identical objects or pieces of furniture on each side of the room, creating a sense of formal balance. While asymmetrical balance, on the other hand, involves creating balance through the use of different elements that have equal visual weight. This can be achieved by grouping objects of similar size and color together or by balancing a large piece of furniture with several smaller ones. Another way to achieve balance in interior design is through the use of color, texture, and pattern. Colors can create a balanced visual palette, while textures patterns can be used to create a sense of harmony and cohesiveness throughout the space. Radial balance is a type of balance in which design elements radiate out from a central point, creating a circular or spiral pattern. This type of balance is often used in circular spaces such as round rooms, staircases, or when designers want to create a focal point at the center of a room. While visual balance is important in interior design because it creates a sense of comfort and stability in a space. When elements are arranged in a visually pleasing and balanced way, the space feels more harmonious and inviting. Let's talk about another principle of design. Space is a fundamental element of design that refers to the areas within and around an object, image, or layout. It is a powerful tool that designers use to create visual balance, emphasize certain elements, and establish a sense of hierarchy in their designs. There are two types of space in design: positive space and negative space. Positive space refers to the areas that are filled with elements such as text, images, or shapes, while negative space, also known as white space, is the area around and between those elements. Overall, space is a crucial element of design that can greatly impact the effectiveness and aesthetic appealing of design. Emphasis refers to the act of placing particular importance or significance on a specific thing or idea. Emphasis can be achieved through various means such as repetition, font size, color, texture, text, or images. The purpose of emphasis is to draw attention to the most important aspect of a message and help to the audience understand its significance. As a designer, we can use rhythm to create excitement, or we can use it to influence other emotions. Rhythm involves using intervals or space between elements to give the user an impression of rhythm or movement. We can use 5 types of rhythm: random rhythm, regular rhythm, alternating rhythm, flowing rhythm, and progressive rhythm. One of the most important principles of design is unity. Unity in design refers to the visual consistency and harmony of a design. It is the concept of ensuring that all elements of a design work together to create a cohesive whole. Achieving unity in design can involve using similar colors, shapes, textures, and patterns throughout a design, as well as creating a balance between positive and negative space. Unity in design can be achieved through the use of various design principles such as repetition, contrast, balance, and alignment. By using 3 principles, Designers can create a sense of visual continuity and coherence in their designs, which helps to enhance the overall aesthetic appeal and usability of the design. When all elements of a design work together harmoniously, it can help to enhance the user experience and ensure that they are able to easily navigate and interact with the design. Overall, achieving unity in design is a key aspect of creating successful and effective design in a variety of fields, from graphic design to web design to architecture.